Have you ever wondered how to make luxurious creamy soap with the goodness of milk? Adding milk to your soap recipe can create a bar that's moisturizing, gentle, and oh so lovely. But the question remains, what's the best way to do it? The milk in oil method and the frozen milk in lye method are two popular techniques, each with its own advantages and challenges. Choosing between these methods can feel like a real head-scratcher. But don't fret, my dears. We're about to dive deep into the wonderful world of milk soap. Get ready to uncover the secrets of each method and discover which one will have you shouting, "Eureka! I've found it!" The milk in oil method is a gentle approach to incorporating milk into your soap. As the name suggests, this method involves blending your choice of milk directly into your oils before combining it with the lye solution. This method is all about creating a harmonious blend of milk and oils. Imagine the two ingredients slowly getting to know each other, their properties intertwining to create a beautiful base for your soap. However, mixing can be a bit tricky with this method. The milk and oil mixture has a tendency to separate if not stirred thoroughly. But don't worry. A little patience and a good whisk will do the trick. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the frozen milk in lye method, a fascinating technique that combines science and art. This technique involves freezing your milk and then slowly adding the lye to it, ensuring a controlled reaction. The frozen milk helps to moderate the heat generated by the lye, preventing overheating and potential scorching, which can ruin your batch. Picture this: your milk, frozen solid, stands ready to tame the fiery lye, creating a safer and more manageable process. As the lye meets the ice-cold milk, a slow, controlled reaction takes place, allowing for better temperature management. This method is known for its simplicity and is often favored by soap makers who prefer a more hands-off approach, reducing the need for constant monitoring. However, it's crucial to exercise caution with this method, as lye is a highly reactive substance. Adding lye to milk too quickly, even when frozen, can cause the mixture to overheat and volcano out of the container, creating a dangerous situation. Always add the lye slowly and in small increments, ensuring the mixture stays cool throughout the process, and your soap making experience remains safe and enjoyable. Section 4. Fresh versus powdered. A tale of two milks. Now let's talk about the different types of milk you can use in your soap making process. Fresh milk, with its creamy texture and natural sweetness, adds a touch of luxury to your soap. It's a favorite among many soap makers for its rich, moisturizing properties. It creates a bar that's not only beautiful, but also incredibly moisturizing, leaving your skin feeling soft and nourished. Powdered milk, on the other hand, offers convenience and a longer shelf life. It's perfect for those who want to make soap without worrying about the milk spoiling. When reconstituted with water, it transforms into a rich and creamy addition to your soap recipe, providing similar benefits to fresh milk. Both fresh and powdered milk bring their own unique qualities to the table, each enhancing your soap in different ways. The choice is yours, depending on your preference and the specific recipe you're following. Experiment with both to see which you prefer. Whether you choose fresh or powdered, remember to adjust the water content in your recipe accordingly. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. Too much water can lead to a softer bar, while too little can make it crumbly. Finding the right balance is key to making high-quality soap. Section 5. Honey, spice, and everything nice. Milk soap add-ins. Now, for the fun part, adding those extra special ingredients. These add-ins not only enhance the soap's properties, but also make each bar unique. Honey, with its humectant properties, enhances the moisturizing qualities of milk soap while adding a touch of natural sweetness. It's perfect for those with dry skin. Turmeric, a vibrant spice, infuses the soap with its warm, earthy aroma and a beautiful golden hue. It's also known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Ginger, with its invigorating scent, adds a touch of spice and warmth to your soap. It's great for stimulating the senses and revitalizing the skin. Colloidal oats, known for their soothing properties, make the soap gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. They help to calm and nourish irritated skin. Essential oils, with their therapeutic benefits and delightful aromas, allow you to personalize your soap to your liking. They can uplift your mood or help you relax. Remember to choose essential oils that complement the creamy, milky scent of your soap. This ensures a harmonious blend of fragrances. Section 6. So, which method reigns supreme? The age-old question. Which method is better? The truth is, there is no definitive answer. Both the milk in oil and frozen milk in lye methods have their own merits. The milk in oil method offers a gentle approach and allows for greater control over the mixing process. The frozen milk in lye method, on the other hand, is simpler and less time-consuming. Ultimately, the best method for you depends on your personal preference, the specific recipe you're using, and your comfort level with each technique. Section 7. Embrace the experiment. Discover your perfect milk soap. So, my fellow soap makers, I encourage you to embrace the experiment wholeheartedly. Don't be afraid to try both methods. Play around with different types of milk and get creative with your instant ingredients. Who knows? You might just stumble upon your new favorite soap recipe. Soap making is a journey of discovery, and sometimes the greatest joy comes from the process itself. So, go forth and create with passion. And remember, the most important ingredient in any soap recipe is love. Happy soaping!